Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and disabling low-voltage power. Park level, set the parking brake, then disconnect the 12V battery to prevent unexpected system wake-ups. You must treat the hybrid pack as high voltage, wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Once done, remove the rear cargo trim and back seat to access the battery cover. Make sure to keep fasteners organized. You'll also want the replacement pack, a torque wrench, and the vehicle's immobilizer, or service PIN, ready before you continue. You now disconnect high-voltage connections. Label each connector, remove the service plug, and follow the manual step-by-step so the system is de-energized. Next, unbolt the mounting brackets while one person supports the pack. Use a jack or lift for safety. The pack is heavy and awkward. Once lowered, inspect the coolant lines and electrical contacts for corrosion. Before installing, compare pinouts and sensor locations on the new pack to the old one, so there are no surprises when you swap components. You position the new pack, lift it into place, and torque all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specs. This prevents vibration issues. Then reconnect high-voltage connectors and any cooling lines, and finally reconnect the 12V battery to restore power. Once energized, perform the required PCM calibration or system relearn. Many Insight models need a dealer scan tool or a defined drive cycle. After that, road test while watching charging behavior. If the charge display or CEL behaves oddly, check connectors and fuses first. If persistent, capture codes with an OBD tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.